Welcome to your channel, Slow English for You.
Charlie, are you excited?
Yes, I can't believe we're traveling today.
Me too. Where's your suitcase?
Right here, it's the blue one.
Oh, mine is red. Let's go check in.
Okay, where's the check-in counter?
Over there, next to Gate A.
Great, I have our passports.
And I have the tickets.
Perfect, let's go together.
Wait, do we need to show ID too?
Yes, I think so.
All right, I'll get mine ready.
The line is long.
Yeah, but we have time.
What time is our flight?
At 10:30.
It's only 9:15. We're early.
Better early than late.
True. Oh, look, security check.
Do we take off our shoes?
I think yes.
Okay, I'll go first.
Wait, my bag is beeping.
What's inside?
My phone charger.
Oh, that's fine.
Phew. Now we can go.
Let's find our gate.
It's gate A12. This way.
I see a coffee shop.
Coffee before the flight?
Of course, small latte for me.
I'll take orange juice.
Cheers to our trip.
Cheers. Next stop, New York.
I can't wait.
Me neither. Let's board soon.
Let's go. Charlie, let's take that yellow taxi.
Good idea. It looks clean.
Hello, where to?
To the Grand Hotel, please.
Sure. Put your bags in the trunk.
I'll sit in the back.
Okay, me too.
Seatbelts, please.
All set.
Great. It's your first time in the city?
Yes, it is.
Welcome. The city is big and busy.
I can see that. So many cars.
Yes, morning traffic is always heavy.
How long to the hotel?
Around 20 minutes.
That's fine. How much does it cost?
About $40.
Okay. Do you take card?
Yes, card or cash.
Perfect.
On your left, that's the city park.
Wow, it's huge.
And that's the river. At night, it looks beautiful.
I'll visit it later.
You should. Great photos there.
Thanks for the tip.
Where are you from?
From Florida.
Oh, nice. Warm place.
Yes, very sunny.
We're almost there.
Great, thank you.
Here we are, the Grand Hotel.
Perfect. How much exactly?
$42.
Here you go, and a small tip.
Thank you, sir. Have a great stay.
You too, take care. Here we are, Chelsea.
Finally. The hotel looks beautiful.
Yes, very nice. Let's go inside.
Do you have the reservation paper?
Yes, it's right here.
Great. Let's go to the front desk.
Good morning. Welcome to the Grand Hotel.
Good morning. We have a reservation.
Under what name?
Charlie Brown, 2 nights, please.
One moment, please. Yes, I found it.
Perfect.
May I see your ID and credit card?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m.
Nice. I love hotel breakfast.
Your room is 305 on the 3rd floor.
Is there an elevator?
Yes, right behind you.
Great, thank you.
Here are your keys. Enjoy your stay.
Thanks. Let's go, Chelsea.
The lobby smells amazing.
Yes, and look at those flowers.
I like this hotel already.
Me too. Okay, floor 3.
The elevator is fast.
Here we are, room 305.
Let's open it.
Wow, it's big and clean.
I love the view. You can see the city.
And the bed looks so comfortable.
Charlie, I think we're going to love this trip.
I think so too. Good evening.
Good evening. Table for how many?
A table for 2, please.
Of course. This way, please.
Thank you.
Here are your menus. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. I'll have a lemonade and she'll have a water.
Sure. I'll bring your drinks right away. Here you go. Lemonade and water.
Thank you very much.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have a cheeseburger with fries. And for her. She'll have a chicken salad, please.
Excellent choice. Anything else?
No, that's all for now.
All right. Your food will be ready soon. Here's your cheeseburger and her chicken salad.
Everything looks great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal. How was everything?
It was delicious.
I'm glad you liked it. Would you like dessert?
Yes, please. 1 chocolate cake and 2 spoons.
Perfect. I'll bring it right away.
Can I have the check, please?
Sure. Here it is. Thank you. Here's my card. Thank you, sir. Have a wonderful night.
You too. Good night.